Hey guys, if you are wanting to take the declutter challenge and straighten up, get rid of things, minimize all the stuff that you've got in your house, this is a perfect spreadsheet for you to use. It organizes everything that you've got by room. So we've got the kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, office, and another just other section. I also have a place for garage, basement, and then some other random rooms, bonus room, playroom, closet, and den. But this is totally a customizable sheet. So if you wanted to, if you got a different room in your house that has nothing to do with this, you can just delete this out and write another room. Totally easy. And then, so in the kitchen, this is just all suggestions again of decluttering, getting rid of too many items, getting rid of stuff that's duplicate. Um, if you've got 15 pairs of scissors. If you've got, 40 pens around the house and half of them are dried up, sometimes it's just good to just take one room at a time, one section, one drawer at a time, and declutter your house. And I think there was a couple years ago where I started really getting into it when I had a lot of Netflix videos out and about minimizing and stuff like that. And it felt so refreshing just to go in and just get rid of stuff and then not feel so partial to it. And then just being like, you know what, I haven't used this in 6 months or a year and I'm just going to toss it or give it away or sell it. I would suggest making different piles, making you want to keep it, you want to give it away, or you want to sell it pile. Um, and then just take runs to the Goodwill and then just giving things away and then just not feeling so partial to stuff or not feeling guilty about if you have to get rid of your items. I think I grew up feeling guilty about getting rid of a lot of my stuff, feeling like I had to hold on to things that I just never used, but I felt like pressure or something to hold on to it. So anyways, enough about me. So this spreadsheet, you can, again, you can customize it. You can write anything else that you want. You want to write pantry, you can. And then if you wanted to just delete things out and put something new, put in old items, whatever you want to customize it, you could. And then, once you're done, check it off. So you feel great about it. You can print this out. You can put your goal date, double click in here and choose the date. Choose your target declutter area. And then if you want to print it, go to File, Print. Oh, before that, let's uncheck this section so I can show you. So go to File and Print, and then see how, if we go to normal, it's really big. But if you do fit to width, it's going to be easier. But then you could also do portrait and it's all going to be on one page. But see how everything on there is like not pink. If you uncheck it, all the pink goes away. And then that way you can just put this in some sort of a notebook, walk around or on a clipboard, and then check things off as you get it done. So this is also part of a larger spreadsheet that I've got that's for moving. So if you're moving and you need to declutter, this is perfect. So if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. But good luck to you. I hope this helps you with decluttering your house and your life and, to making you feel more peaceful. So thanks and have a great week.